Hey guys, what's up? I hope all of you guys are doing amazing. So first of all, I want to thank the Dermaco for sponsoring this part of the video. For all of you who don't know, Dermaco is a skincare brand with a team of experienced dermatologists, for their product ranges. What I absolutely love about this brand that they promote living without filters. They want you to love the skin you are born with, which I am totally on board with. Another amazing thing that I highly appreciate about this brand that they disclose the percentage of actives, on their packaging itself, which I feel as a consumer, for me, it's so important. I should be knowing what I am actually applying on my face and the percentage of actives, so you are aware of everything when you're using the products from the Dermaco. All Dermaco products are designed using scientific ingredients which are absolutely effective and safe to use. Alright, so I have the 15% niacinamide face serum. But before I talk about this product, I want to talk about the skincare issues which we all face. We all have had to deal with acne and scars, and if it's not treated effectively and correctly, it is sometimes cause that discomfort every time you look into the mirror. We do try different solutions to cover that up, like makeup, and we try different DIYs, but none of these are like permanent solution. So here I have the ultimate solution of minimizing acne marks. There are multiple niacinamide serums available in the market. So what makes this different, that this is India's first niacinamide serum with the concentration of 15% niacinamide, which makes it ultimate solution of fading marks and scars, and this is safe to use at the same time. For all of you who don't know what niacinamide actually does, so niacinamide and vitamin B3 has clinically proven to be effective in fading marks and acne scars, and it also helps with enlarged pores. One another amazing ingredient in this serum is zinc. Zinc regulates sebum production and promote clear skin. Now let me tell you how you want to apply this serum. Always start with washing your face thoroughly. Then apply 2 to 3 drops of the Dermaco's 15% niacinamide serum on your entire face. Please avoid the dropper from touching your skin. You can pour the serum directly on your face or on your palm. Then massage gently until the serum gets absorbed. You can use the serum at any time of the day, like in the morning or in the night. If you're using this in the daytime, make sure that you apply a good sunscreen after this. And I would recommend you to use this every single day to see good and effective results. One more thing that I would recommend, that though this is very safe to use, but still I would recommend that you do a patch test before you apply this all over your face. I would highly recommend this serum. This is going to help you with the skin texture, and it's gonna help you with the pore issue and the acne scars, acne marks, any kind of scar on your face. It's gonna help you with that. So this is a magical product that you should be having in your skincare kit. So the Dermaco is available on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart, and if you want to buy any of their product, you can use my code which is on the screen right now and get 20% off on Dermaco. The coupon code is only valid on Dermaco. So all the links will be in the description box, so you can check that out. Alright, so now let's jump onto the makeup. So firstly, I'm taking this primer and I'm just gonna apply that on the problematic areas. So I am creating this look keeping my mind when you wanna have the makeup on your skin for good 8 to 10 hours, like one of those very long office days when you have some really like a lot of meetings or maybe a event, and you want your makeup to look really natural and nice, and it's like a very skin like makeup. It's gonna make a difference, but like minimal makeup, and gonna make you look really fresh and nice throughout the day. So after the primer, I'm taking the foundation, and I took the Fit Me foundation, which I would say is a really good foundation for this kind of long day, because it's really lightweight. At the same time, it gives medium coverage, which is, I would say, looks really good. It's not at all matte and not super dewy, so good for all skin types, and it just performs beautifully. So once that is done, I'm gonna take the concealer, and you need to cancel out the darkness. If you don't have dark circles or any kind of discoloration on your face, you can completely skip concealer. That would be amazing, because you want to apply as less product as possible, especially for long days. You want to apply the tiniest amount of products, then only your makeup would look really nice throughout the day. So I am applying the concealer just around my eyes, because I really need to cover that up, like my dark circles, and I'm quickly gonna blend it Now to make your makeup, more long lasting, you wanna definitely set your face. So for that, I'm taking this Lakme 9 to 5 compact powder, and I'm just taking the powder on my brush and just pressing that under my eyes. This powder is really good. It's a very nice mattifying powder, but not at all dry. So it's really good. So firstly, I'm just setting my under eyes, which is really important, and then I'm just taking very little amount of the powder and just dusting that all over my face, and it's just gonna give me really soft and nice effect, and like really soft finish, and your makeup is not gonna budge the whole day. I'm setting my lids as well, which is really important for me, because I get crease lines on my lids. You can see I am done with three products like foundation, concealer, and powder. Still, my face is not at all cakey, and the base is looking so light, and that is what I'm saying. You want to use the tiniest amount of product for this makeup look. Now, let's move on to the eyebrows. So for that, I'm taking this wet and white eyebrow pencil and just quickly gonna fill in my brows. Nothing too fancy, just very lightly I'm gonna fill in my brows, any gaps that is there, and then just gonna use the spoolie and just giving it a final finishing touch. Now I'm taking this L'Oreal Back to Bronze bronzer. This is a really good, shade for my skin tone. This is not super cool, not super warm, and just perfect for me. And right now my face is looking flat, and you want to add some colors, right? You don't want to look flat completely, and that is what I'm doing. It's not at all harsh. This is gonna give you like a really soft, subtle look, but gonna give you dimension as well. So it's not there, but it's still gonna make a really good difference. So I'm just gonna do the simple steps that I always do, like my cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead, and just a tiniest bit on my nose, like like a nose contour, which is not at all like super visible. It's gonna make a difference, but it's just so subtle. You would see it's just so subtle, and then I'm just gonna take very little amount of this and just lightly blend that on my jawline as well. thing that I'm gonna do is my lips. For that, I'm taking my favorite lip liner, which is the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this, and then I'm taking this Maybelline New York Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance, which is again one of my favorite nude lipsticks. So I'm just gonna tap that all over my lips, and you can see this is a perfect nude for office look. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look, and you can see it's like very skin like. We have actually used a lot of products, but the amount that we put on your skin makes a huge difference, and that is why it's, you know, it turned out very nice and natural. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel, you know, to watch more such content. And yeah, that is what I have today for you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, and I love you guys all so much. Bye bye.